Hi guys, I'm doing a quick cooking demo of one of my favorite meals, lamb meatballs. Right here, I have about a pound of ground lamb. I have 1 egg, which will help it stick together. This is my favorite brand of eggs, Vital Farms. It checks off all the boxes of cage-free, organic, and pasture-raised. I'm gonna add a couple of different sauces here. One is balsamic vinegar. The other is coconut aminos. I have some mustard here, and then 2 secret ingredients, molasses, but you can use honey. And the last one is a company called Noble Made. They make a whole bunch of different sauces. This one is a mustard honey sort of base. I love that company because all of the ingredients are spices and food that you would recognize. There's no unwanted added ingredients. And then I have a whole bunch of spices here. I would bore you if I went through every single one of them, but some of my favorites are cumin, curry powder, paprika, chili powder, garlic, and onion. So I'm gonna put all that together and then I'm gonna come back and show you what it looks like when I'm cooking. See you in a minute. Hey there everyone, you can see now that the meatballs are starting to brown up. Just wanted to let you know I put them in a really hot pan using that ghee right there. Sometimes a lot of liquid and fat does accumulate, and in order for the meatballs to get brown, I have to spoon out that water. But I think the pan was hot enough and the meatballs were spread out well, so I didn't have that problem this time. So I'm gonna show you the sauce in just a sec. All right, I think you can see I actually did have to spoon out some of the water. So I didn't think I would have to, but I did because I wanted all the sides and to be brown, and I didn't want that water and fat part to be part of the sauce that I make. So it's about ready now. You can see all the meatballs are brown. They are not sticking to the pan anymore. Those are all ways to know that they're ready. And so I wish you could smell it in here. It smells so good. Here is some balsamic vinegar. So probably like 1 to 2 tablespoons. Same sauce that I added to the inside of the meatballs. Some coconut aminos, also about 1.5 tablespoons. I'm gonna lower the temperature a little because I don't want that sauce to burn. Add about 1 tablespoon of mustard. So fun, love mustard. And like I used before, that Noble Made mustard, honey mustard based sauce. Actually, I almost forgot just a tiny bit of those molasses. I don't want to make it too sweet, but just a little bit more because I put it on the inside. I want to add that sweetness. All right, I'm going to mix this together and I'm going to show you what it looks like after. All right, to put it all together, this is what it's going to look like. I have my vegetables here, which is mostly leftovers that I just added some spinach and broccoli to. Here is sorry for the steam, the lamb meatballs. And then I'm making some gluten-free pasta over here. This is the brand that I like. And then the last tip is to add some of that pasta water to the vegetables that I showed you. And then we're gonna eat it all together. Hope you liked that video, and I'll see you next time.